Hello Samsung technician. In today's video I will show you step by step exactly what you do for fixing a Samsung TV or monitor. So first thing first, this is the new panel box came. There is a parts number and serial number. Make sure you take the picture of here. Once you take the picture, make sure it match with your invoice, and then you take the picture of actual board. Once you make sure you take all four corner, and this is the new serial number of this panel come, new serial number, right? Once you get that, you will start working with your old panel. This is the old panel. Make sure you get this serial number here. This is the actual serial number of this TV. Match with this is with your ticket, and we will start opening this. This is the hanger. This hold the TV. Once we open this, is just need a Phillips head screwdriver to open this, and then we will open the back cover. Opening the back is very easy. There is no screw on here anywhere. You just put a flathead screwdriver here. This is a plastic cover. Make sure don't push too much pressure, but little bit pressure. Put little pressure. It should be come up. You need more than one Phillips head, so you can gently keep moving. See, it is very fragile. Will be break. So once you get all four corner, right, just get up gently. Now next thing you want to do, exact copy whatever Samsung factory assembly center did. Right, so this is on left side, this is on right side, and this LVDS cable, all other setup you have to do exact copy with this new one. Like I said on other video, 1 out of 10 you really change the power. This is the power supply unit, and this panel had a line on the between, so blurry picture. So we are changing the panel and main board, nothing else. You putting all old LVDS and all other cable, just copying from there, putting here like copy and paste. This panel have the main board have this extra something to put on the main board. This the main board came with, I received this, do not have this part, so I have to take, but not all the panel like that. I see most of the cases have directly have the plug here, but sometimes it happen, so you have to do that. But so sliding in and out is very easy. This four hook, and there's a hook on the back, so just put in. So align on hole and just slide in. Here is the one like little holder. When you take out, just pick up and push down. That's it. So we copy from this, the old one, and the new one is now looks exactly same. You cannot tell difference unless you see the real serial number. Just test it if it's working or not. So I just connect the power. You see a light, all this lighting up. So backlight is fine. So from the seeing on the back, I know this is good. Let's flip to the front. Wow, look at this. Look at this. See? So it is working. The operation is success. We are done. Okay, now just put back the old back cover. Take off the power. We put back cover. That's it. We are done. Operation is successful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.